September dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this trend right here and also where you can find it. So keep on watching. So first of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to September add yours at highlights, which is here. If you go to my story, then you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find the sticker there. So click here at September add yours, and now you have to tap until you find your desired sticker. It's at the end. Here we have it, September dump. Now click on the add yours button. Then to add your first story for September dump, you will have to go to your uploads, which are in the left bottom corner. First, I will go with this photo. Now, to place it where you want, you will have to click on the photo with two fingers, like you would zoom in and zoom out, and place it where you want. Make it bigger or smaller. And now to add a second photo, you will have to click here at the top to stickers, scroll down and click on this plus icon, and it will get you once again to your gallery. And you can choose your second photo, then after that your third photo, and so on. So once you are happy with your photo dump, you can share this story with your friends. And guys, if you have some questions and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you can comment in the comment section down below, or you can just check out the description box in the video's description. And also, if you have trouble by clicking on the highlight, if the highlights are not loading, also you can find a YouTube tutorial in the description box below, so make sure to click on that and see if it works. And if not, you can comment down below and I'll make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.